Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you on an incredible journey from rusted wreck to stunning ride with our ultimate car restoration project. If you love classic cars, vintage rebuilds, or just enjoy seeing the transformation of a battered vehicle into a showstopper, you're in the right place. So sit back and let's get started. We begin with this old, neglected car sitting in a backyard in the USA. It's covered in rust, missing parts, and looks like it's seen better days. But what's exciting is what it's about to become. Restoring a car like this is a labor of love, requiring patience, skill, and attention to detail. And today, we're going to show you every step of that process. First up, we start with the disassembly. We carefully remove all the old, damaged parts, fenders, doors, interior components, anything that's beyond repair. This step is crucial because it gives us a clear view of what needs fixing and replaces anything that's structurally compromised. In American car restoration, especially with classic muscle cars or vintage trucks, this is where the real work begins. Next, we move on to rust removal. This part is often the most time-consuming but also the most rewarding. Using wire wheels, sandblasting, and chemical rust removers, we strip away years of corrosion. For those working on cars in the USA, especially in regions with high humidity or road salt, rust can be a major enemy. Restoring these vehicles means fighting rust at every corner, restoring strength and safety. Once the rust is gone, it's time for metal work. We weld in new panels, reinforce the frame, and fix any structural damage. Precision here is key. Every weld, every seam needs to be solid. After that, we move to bodywork, sanding, filling dents and smoothing out imperfections. This step is what turns a battered shell into a sleek canvas ready for paint. Now let's talk about painting. We prime the surface, then apply multiple coats of high-quality automotive paint, carefully matching the color to a classic or custom shade. For our project, we chose a vibrant red, inspired by American muscle cars. The paint process can take several days, but the result is a stunning finish that makes the car look brand new. While the paint cures, we focus on the interior. We replace worn-out seats, restore the dashboard, and install new carpeting. For classic car enthusiasts in the USA, restoring the interior is about blending nostalgia with modern comfort. We add new wiring, modern sound systems, and sometimes even upgrade the cooling or heating systems to make these vintage rides practical for today's roads. Next, we reassemble all the components: doors, panels, interior, and engine. Upgrading parts like the suspension, brakes, and wheels is common, especially if you want a car that's not just beautiful but also safe and reliable on American highways. We also ensure that the lighting, electronics, and other systems meet current safety standards. Finally, it's time for the moment of truth, the first startup after the restoration. We check all systems, make sure the engine runs smoothly, and take the car for a test drive. Seeing this once rusted, broken down vehicle now roaring back to life is truly rewarding. It's a testament to the power of restoration and the passion of car enthusiasts here in the USA. And there you have it, from rust to ride. A full transformation that preserves history while giving it a new lease on life. Restoring a car is more than just fixing up a vehicle. It's about keeping our automotive heritage alive, whether it's a classic muscle car, a vintage truck, or a rare collectible. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow car lovers, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing restorations, reviews, and car projects. Let us know in the comments what cars you want to see restored next, or share your own restoration stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep those engines running!